Hi all. Today we are going to discuss some competency based questions based on gravitation chapter. Here one paragraph is given. You have to read that paragraph and answer the questions given below. First question. There is no atmosphere on the moon. This is because gas molecules need a certain amount of force of attraction to be retained on a heavy body. The force of attraction of the moon is less than the required force, hence no atmosphere can exist. The value of G on the moon is dash times that of the earth. So in the textbook we learned that the value of G on the moon is 1 by 6 times that of the earth. So the answer is 1 by 6. Move to the next question. Mass of the moon is dash of the earth. So now only we saw that it is 1 by 6 times. So it will be less than that of the earth. So option B is the correct option. Mass of the moon is less than that of the earth. Now it's given one problem based on that. The weight of an object is 60 kg on the earth. Then its weight on the moon is. So it will be 1 by 6 times. So 60 divided by 6. You will get the weight of the moon is 60 divided by 6, that is 10 kg. So option A is the correct answer. Now next question. Here another paragraph is given and based on that a set of questions are given. Let's read the paragraph first. All freely falling bodies fall with a uniform acceleration due to gravity. As a result, all the equations of motion for uniformly accelerated bodies moving in a straight line are applicable to all freely falling bodies. First question given based on that paragraph is the value of G is taken as positive when the body is. We know that the acceleration due to gravity always acting towards downwards. So the first option is given dropped from a certain height. That means it is moving downwards. So in that case, you know that it will be positive. And moving in a horizontal direction. In that case also the gravity is acting towards downwards. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B. Let's move to the next question. During free fall, the acceleration of the object is. You know that during free fall the only force acting is acceleration and the value is a constant. So option C is the correct answer. Now next question. Velocity of an object at maximum height in case it has been thrown vertically upward is. Okay, if it is reached the maximum height, what will be the velocity? Okay, you know that at the maximum height that reaches that position, if it reaches that position, it will be 0. So option C is the correct answer. Now I am giving another set of questions. Here, what place of the earth surface is the weight of a body is maximum? This is usually generally asking question at the poles or equator. It will be at the poles. Next question. Suppose the gravity of the sun is suddenly becomes 0, then in which direction the earth begin to move if no other celestial bodies affect? You know that when we are whirling a stone also using thread, suppose if the thread breaks, what will happen? Yeah, that will move in a straight line or tangential to that. So the same will be here. The earth will move in the direction of tangent to the sun. Next question. Here 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct one. Our question is, when an object thrown upwards, the increased assist of gravity is, where the gravity will increase, opposite to the direction of motion, in the direction of motion, become 0 at the highest point, increase at the rise of. You know that if we are throwing upwards, I already told that if it is coming downwards, the gravity will be positive, and here the object is thrown upwards, so it will be opposite to the direction of motion. So here 3 statements are given. We have to find out which of the following statements are correct. First statement is, mass of an object is a measure of inertia. Second one is, heavier the object, smaller is the inertia. Third one, the mass of an object is variable. You know that first one, mass of the object is a measure of inertia, is correct, because mass means it's a measure of inertia only. Then heavier the object, smaller is the inertia. No, because inertia is directly proportional to the mass. If mass will increase means the inertia also will increase. So heavier the object will have larger inertia. So second option is wrong. Then mass of an object is variable. It is not at all correct. You know that mass is a scalar quantity and it is fixed. Mass will not change from place to place. So the only correct option is option number 1. So A is the correct answer. Only 1 is correct. Mass of an object is the measure of inertia. Next question. The value of capital letter G depends upon. What is capital G? Capital G is universal gravitational constant. And what is small g? Acceleration due to gravity. Okay. So what is the difference between this capital G and small g? Capital G, it is universal and it is same everywhere, and it is not varying from place to place. But small g is acceleration due to gravity, what it is acting on it, and it can be vary from place to place. And on the surface of their small g value is 9.8. Keep this on mind, we can check this question. The value of G depends on the mass of the bodies, the medium between the bodies, the temperature of the bodies, none of this. So I already told you it is a constant, it is not varying from place to place, so it will not depend any of these factors. The answer is option D, none of this. Next one, questions based on acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is represented by small g and its value is 9.8 on the surface of the earth. So the acceleration due to gravity, first one, has the same value everywhere in space, has the same value everywhere on the earth, varies with the latitude on the earth, is greater on the moon. So you know that the small g is varying, so it will not have the same value in the space or in space. So first option is wrong. Second one, has the same value everywhere on the earth. No, we saw in one question at the poles it is maximum and equator compared to that minimum, so it will vary. So option B is also not the correct one. Third one, varies with the latitude on the earth. Yes, that is correct, it will vary with the latitude on the earth. Poles we will get maximum and equator minimum. So it is greater on the moon. No, because in the moon it is 1/6 times, so it will be not greater on the moon. So the correct option is option number C. Okay, so we discussed some questions based on that. Hope you understood. Thank you all.